Hi, my name is David Morrison, and I'm one of the founders of hibbittsautopro.com, a free software tool for automotive repair shops. Today I'm going to be going over the notes field on the work order edit screen. And it's pretty straightforward. There's not a lot of complexity to it, so I'll dive right in. You want to make sure you're logged in, of course, and you want to navigate to a particular work order that you are working on. In my example, I'm going to be working on order number 180. And in here, I have this panel called Notes. This panel is where you can put notes that are visible in printed and email work orders and invoices and estimates. So anything you put here will be visible on anything that you share with the customer. And to add a note, go ahead and do an example here. This is a test note. This is bold. This is italics. So I'm going to also add a few formatting, and I'm going to add some line breaks so you'll know exactly what it's going to look like when you go to use it. You can add line breaks to give things spaces apart. You can also add formatting to words or letters. So here I'm going to do bold, and here I'm going to do italics. And whenever you're finished adding your note, you just click OK, and it appears right here on the work order. Now when you go to print it, you'll see that your note is here in the estimate, and it's also visible on the printed invoice as well. I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to print it. When you want to delete a note, you just click this icon here, and we'll delete this note. So there we have it. That's all there is to it. Trying to think if there's anything else that might be important to mention about these notes, but nothing is coming to me at the moment. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you very much for using our software. I do want you to know that your feedback is highly appreciated, and we do depend on that feedback to help us know how you want this software improved, what kind of features you want added to it, and anything that could make this more useful to help you run your shop. We've been working in the automotive space for a really long time now, and this is our way of giving back to the community to provide this free version of our software. Thank you so much. Have a good day.